Hi! Welcome back to Lean on Me, a place where learning is fun, exciting, and absolutely memorable. I am Yakanov Benson, and today we're going to be learning something really interesting. Today we're going to be learning about blending of sounds. Blending of sounds. Have you ever wondered how words are made? How do we make all the words in English language? Or how do we make some of the words in English language? Now we make words by blending sounds together. So blending simply is putting sounds together to form words. Putting sounds together to form words. For example, the word fin. 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 The word fin is made by putting together three different sounds. That's the sound f, e, and n. That's f, e, n. Fin. Amazing, right? So blending is putting sounds together to form words. Now blending helps us to form words, and it also makes reading very easy. Alright, so how do we blend words? First, you say the sounds and not the letter names. You say the sounds and not the letter name. Remember in the word fin, I didn't say F-I-N. I said the sound. E, n. So when you want to blend, you say the sounds and not the letter names. So you say the sounds, you say it slowly, that is blending. Saying it slowly means blending. And then you say it faster and you call the words. For today, we're going to be blending two letter words. We're going to be blending two letter words. Are we ready to have fun? Alright, so let's do this together. A, at, a, am, a, am, a, an, a, an, a, as, a, as. Alright, let's take the next set. E, it, e, it, e, in, e, in, e, is, e, is, e, if, e, if. Alright, let's do the next sets together. Are you ready? On, 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 are, are, off, off. Now the next set, up, 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 us, us, us. Amazing. Now, there's some two-letter words that really do not have meaning, like the words at, am, it, in, is, and all of that. Those ones are syllable words that are used to form other words, Like you can use them to form other 3-letter words or 4-letter words or other words. Now let's take a few of them. Words like b, a, ba, b, a, ba, a, ka, a, ka, e, ts, ets, e, ts, ets, up, 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 d, e, de, d, e, de, e, ip, e, ip. Now you're going to pause this video and blend these words by yourself in 10 seconds. All right, so pause, look at the screen, pause the video, and blend the words in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Amazing! In our next video, we are going to learn how to blend 3-letter words. We're going to learn how to blend 3-letter words, and I'm very sure you do not want to miss it. See you in the next video. Make sure you subscribe. Bye!